Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it. So what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? So firstly, what you have to do is to turn off your Motorola, then hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In this menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option recovery mode. When you see this Android robot and no command message under it, you have to hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option wipe data factory reset, then confirm it by selecting factory data reset. After a few seconds, message data wipe complete appears here at the bottom. And after you see this message, select the first option reboot system now and your device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.